Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this simple tutorial we shall be looking at how to create fake unlimited Telegram account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited Telegram account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. So just search for your Play Store and then open your Play Store over here. Now once you open your Play Store, then you search for Super VPN. If you're already having it but not updated, you have to update your Super VPN to the latest version. So you can see over here, this one has more than 3 million reviews and also 3 million, 3+ rated. And once you have downloaded this application, all you need to do is to open this application. So just wait as it is opening over here. Now once you open this application, then you click on connect in order to connect, and you can see connecting. Now once you have connected to this Super VPN, all you need to do is to come back to your Play Store and then enter temp number. Once you search for temp number, there are many, so I recommend this one for you. Download this one. Now once you have downloaded this application, all you need to do is to open this application, which is the temp number. So just open this application. So just wait for a while and then click on temp number. You can see over here. Now once you open this application, you can see get free number. Click on that, and once you click on get free number over here, you can see so many countries. You can see Poland, Canada, Sweden, so many, Estonia, Netherlands. But I will advise you to use United States. Just click on United States, and once you click on United States, you can see so many numbers. Click on that, and once you click on that, copy any of them, and you can see copied from number. Once you copy the number, then you come back and then open your Telegram over here. So just open your Telegram and then select the country. Because we choose United States, we have to use United States. So just select United States over here, or you can even go back and then choose +1, and you can see once you click on +1, so you can delete the number and then paste the number over here. Now once you paste the number, just send it, and then this is the number. Okay, so now they are asking, so just click on yes and then come back to this place, and you can see a verification code. A verification code has been sent. You can see, sorry, just skip the ads over here. There are some ads, so just skip, and you can see 24 seconds ago, and the code has been sent. Copy this code and use this code to verify your Telegram account. With this trick, you can create unlimited Telegram account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a